How to start Shopify dropshipping business in 2025, covering everything from mindset to execution with updated strategies for the current e-commerce landscape. 1. Understanding Shopify dropshipping in 2025. Dropshipping is a retail model where you sell products online without holding inventory. When a customer orders from your Shopify store, the product is shipped directly from your supplier to the customer. In 2025, the model has evolved. Competition is higher, advertising costs have risen, and customer expectations for shipping times and product quality are stricter. Success now depends less on finding random trending products and more on branding and positioning. Your store needs to look trustworthy, product quality control, avoiding refunds and bad reviews, fast shipping ideally under 10 days, long-term customer retention, email marketing, repeat buyers. 2. Step-by-step guide to starting. Step 1. Choose your niche. The biggest beginner mistake is picking a niche based only on personal taste or random TikTok trends. You want a niche with evergreen demand, not just seasonal hype, passionate audience willing to spend, problem-solving products, unique solutions, low return risk, avoid complicated electronics. 2025 hot niches: home office and productivity tools, pet care and accessories, fitness recovery gear, sustainable and eco-friendly products, baby and toddler products, outdoor and adventure gear. Tip: use Google Trends, TikTok Creative Center, and Pinterest Trends to check demand patterns. Step 2. Find reliable suppliers. The supplier is the backbone of your dropshipping business. Bad suppliers lead to slow shipping, poor product quality, and refund nightmares. Where to find suppliers in 2025? AliExpress with desserts cheaper, but check reviews and ship from local warehouses. CJ Dropshipping, more control, faster shipping. Zendrop automation plus branding options. Source and box, good for scaling. USARU suppliers via Spocket or Cincy, fast shipping. Key supplier checks, processing time under 3 days. Clear product photos and videos, at least 4.75 rating from 100 plus orders, offers branding, white label options. Step 3. Set up your Shopify store. Shopify remains the easiest platform for beginners in 2025. The best stores look like small, branded shops instead of random product catalogs. Steps: 1. Sign up at Shopify H. Will Shopify.com. Choose the basic plan to start. 2. Pick a themed on free or paid themes from Theme Forest. 3. Add essential pages: home, shop, about us, contact, refund policy, shipping policy, for upload products with high quality images and descriptions. 5. Set up payment gateways: Shopify Payments, PayPal, Stripe. 6. Install essential apps: Desserts, AliExpress automation, Judge.me reviews, Vitals all-in-one tools, Klaviyo email marketing. Pro tip: keep your store simple. One main product plus upsells works better than a cluttered catalog. Step 4. Craft winning product pages. Your product page is your salesperson in 2025. Customers won't buy from copy-paste AliExpress descriptions. High converting product page structure. Strong headline, benefit driven, not just features. High quality lifestyle images show product in use. Short video demonstrating benefits. Key benefits section: why buy from you, Urgency triggers limited stock messages, but not spammy. Clear guarantee. 30-day return policy. Example: instead of water, bottle 500 milliliters stainless steel. Say, stay hydrated anywhere. Leak-proof stainless steel bottle that keeps drinks cold for 24 hours. Step 5. Drive traffic to your store. No traffic equals no sales. In 2025, you have 3 main traffic channels for dropshipping. Option 1. Paid ads. Fast results. Meta ads, Facebook and Instagram. Still top 4. Impulse buys. Use short videos and carousel ads. TikTok ads. Great for low-cost traffic, especially for fun, visually appealing products. Google Shopping ads. Works well for problem-solving or branded products. Start with 20-50-day testing budget. Kill losing ads quickly and scale winners. Option 2. Organic marketing. Slow but free. TikTok organic posts create viral product videos, Instagram reels and Pinterest pins, YouTube shorts reviews and tutorials. Option 3. Influencer marketing. Micro-influencers, 5K, 50K followers have higher engagement. Send free products for UGC, user-generated content, to use in ads. Step 6. Optimize and scale. Once you get some sales, your goal is to turn that into a sustainable business. Analyze data, focus on ROAS, return on ad spend, and AOV, average order value. Increase AOV at upsells, bundles, volume discounts. Retarget, run ads to people who visited your store but didn't buy. Automate, hire a VA for order fulfillment and customer service. Brand, order in bulk. Add custom packaging. Get your logo on products. 3. Costs and profitability in 2025. Startup costs. Shopify basic plan, 39-month domain, 10-15 year apps, 20-50 month ad budget, 301 0 to start testing. Profit margins. Typical dropshipping margin is 20-40 after product plus ad costs. Branded dropshipping can push margins higher. 4. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Copying other stores exactly. You'll compete on price and lose. 2. Selling low-quality products leads to refunds, bad reviews, and ad account bans. 3. Ignoring shipping times. Customers expect Amazon speed. 4. Not testing creatives. The first ad you launch probably won't be your winner. 5. Relying on one traffic source. Diversify to avoid platform bans. 5. 2025 success formula. Good product plus branded store plus compelling ads plus fast shipping equals profitable dropshipping. The get-rich-quick days are gone. Now dropshipping is simply a barrier entry into e-commerce, and the winners treat it as a real brand. If you focus on delivering value, trust, and great customer experience, you can still start in 2025 and make it profitable. Example: 30-day launch plan. Week 1. Research niche and find 3-5 potential products, contact suppliers and order samples. Week 2. Build Shopify store and product pages, set up policies, apps, and branding assets. Week 3. Create ad creatives, photos, videos, UGC, set up ad campaigns, or influencer outreach. Week 4. Launch ads. Monitor daily. Kill losers, scale winners. Collect customer feedback. Improve store and shipping. Final words. Shopify dropshipping in 2025 is not dead but lazy. Dropshipping is. If you pick the right niche, work with reliable suppliers, build a real brand image, create engaging ads, focus on customer satisfaction, you can build a profitable store in months, not years.